here, so from here we are going to visit the site and take some measurements. So Gogo has hired a bike man who is going to take us there. By the way, I've never sit on a bike before. It's my first time to sit on a bike. So the driver here, we are having
Me too.
We are having communication breakdown here. I'm telling you, how to exit here is just saying, yeah. How to sit? How to sit, man? You always sit to us. How? Wait.
Yee. Wait.
What? Look at the pressure. Look at the pressure. Pressure, man. Hey, wheels. Look.
Yeah.
Good.
No. Yeah, good.
Kwa hiyo uchafamba wakadima kumbako. Yaanza tuma bike.
Can you make two rounds? Go with one person, then you come back with another person.
I know, two guys.
Wow,
Takuzoti peka mabhutsu kwaramba ka. Chakwede burwa nechando nasi.
Where do I touch? Touch, hands, touch.
Kana kumbata ye mafudzi ake.
Hands, touch. Wait.
Chimwana chiri kutoshamisika. Baiwa ndozva zvotoita uchobata driver. Start. Start, my driver. Go! Yes! Yes! Mubate umukubu driver. Bye bye! That's what I'm doing. Washanga chichika. Jaja chichicha chifowera pasi zvechimututu chacho. Vari tu.